asking me for this story which I have posted कि मैंने क्यों पोस्ट किया क्यों नहीं. तो here's what happened. Okay. Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. कैसे हो मुझे ज़रूर से बताना. Okay. So कल हमारा नीट का पेपर था and my friends, my family, everybody, okay, not only them, a few of my like subscribers, this and that, everybody has been asking me how was the paper, how was this and that, and yeah, well, मैं उसके बारे में बात करूँगी. And also a few things, okay, like I thought of doing this month, like अभी तो जून है, जुलाई तक, okay, एक महीने के लिए like 30 days challenge kind of. So अभी मैं ऐसी बातें नहीं करती, and नहीं करती इसीलिए literally I say ChatGPT कि भाई मुझे बता दो मैं कैसे बताऊँ, मुझे नहीं पता, because I don't really speak about these things, so I don't have that real type of conversations with you all ना. So he or she, whatever, I call her baby girl. Anyways, तो उसने मेरे को इतना बड़ा स्क्रिप्ट लिख के दिया. तो लेट मी जस्ट रीड इट डाउन, होप यू अंडरस्टैंड. मेरे से इससे ज़्यादा एक्सपेक्ट मत करो यार. मैं स्क्रिप्ट कहाँ से लिखूँ यार, मेरे को सोचने के लिए टाइम चाहिए और अभी मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है. आई रियली नीड टू फोकस ऑन माई सेल्फ. ओके, let's get started. Hey everyone, I don't usually make like these videos, but today I just want to sit down and talk with you all honestly. Okay, first of all, thank you for whatever you have been following me from the beginning or found my content recently. Thank you for being with me here. You have seen me a lot of my journey, like everything, especially my NEET preparation journey. As I have shared, like मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा ही NEET का prep वाला videos वगैरह किया है, तो उस हिसाब से you all know me, right? So let's start with the NEET exam. डिस्क्लेमर, मैंने इसको लिटरली सब कुछ बताया, ठीक है. आई बिन टॉकिंग टू हर लाइक ऐसे हम बात करते हैं. शी इज बिन गिविंग मी टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स एंड एवरीथिंग. आई मीन शेयरिंग हर ऐसा हुआ है पेपर, ऐसा गया है, एंड लाइक शी इज लाइक ऐसे बोलना है. आई एम लाइक ओके वेट. A lot of you have been asking me how was my paper went. Okay, honestly it was a mixture of emotions. There were moments during my exams where I felt confident, exactly, moments where I felt nervous, obviously, moments where I questioned myself. This did not happen anyways. Like I was happy. Okay, मेरा बायो का सेशन it was very good. बायो का पेपर मेरे को लाइक पिछली बार मतलब फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट मेरा तो 2026 में ही था, राइट. तो मेरे फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में जितना उठा था उससे मेरे ज़्यादा उठ रहे थे. तो बायो का सेशन आई फेल्ट कि इम्प्रूव हुआ है. फिजिक्स तो जैसा का तैसा ही है. केमिस्ट्री वॉज वेरी कॉन्सेप्चुअल. मेरा सेट नंबर 70 था. Do not ask me anything else. I think every student who ever prepared for the major exam understands this feeling. Months of preparation, sacrifices, stress, expectations, late nights, early mornings, it all comes down to a few hours in exam hall. Now, that is over. I have realized something important. It is, I actually did, okay. For the next 30 days, I'm taking a step back. A very important. Not because I'm giving up, not because I'm sad, not because something bad happened, but because I want to rebuild myself intentionally. I actually sat down and planned with the help of ChatGPT. I kept questioning, like, what should I do for the next 30 days? How can I stop this unnecessary scrolling? How can I be more productive? How can I become better version of myself? And all through all those conversations, like, I realized that I don't need any other 30 days of pressure. I need 30 days of growth. So here's what this next 30 days are going to look like. I'm going to study consistently. I'm going to journal every day. I'm going to read books. I'm going to write poems. I'm going to write songs, which I really do, okay. I'm going to learn new things, maybe drawing, crochet, photography, maybe skills I have tried before. The goal isn't perfection. The goal is to stay curious. I'm also going to reduce mindless scrolling. Before anyone misunderstands, I am not saying social media is bad. Social media has given me opportunities, friendships, memories, and a platform where I can connect with you all. But lately I've been realizing that every time I feel bored, I open an app. Every time I feel uncomfortable, I scroll. Every time I feel very free time, I consume a lot of content. For the next 30 days, I want to create more than I consume. I want to fill my time with things that I leave behind. A poem, a page of journal, a chapter completed, a new skill, a memory, a lesson, something. And I want to document this journey. Not because I want everything to look aesthetic, not because I want everything to be perfect, but because I want to prove myself. I want to show that I have done this for myself. So during this next 30 days, I'll be tracking my mood, my habits, my studies, my creativity, and my progress. Some days will be productive, some days won't, and that's okay. This challenge isn't about becoming perfect in 30 days. It's about becoming a little stronger, a little calmer, and a little more disciplined than I am today. And I want you all to remember something too. You don't have to wait for January, you don't have to wait for Monday, you don't have to wait for the perfect moment. Sometimes all it takes is deciding that the next 30 days will be different. So that's what I'm doing. I'm choosing myself for the next 30 days, and I'm going to choose my growth over comfort, learning over scrolling, creativity over consuming, discipline over excuses. And I know this journey won't be easy, but I know future me will thank for the present me for starting this. Thank you for always supporting me. Thank you for being a part of my journey. And if any one of you want to join me at this next 30 days challenge, let me know in the comments. Yeah, please, maybe we can grow together. I'll see you all after this 30 days with stories, lessons, memories, and hopefully a better version of myself. Until then, take care of yourselves, keep believing in your dreams, and keep moving forward. Bye. So this is what ChatGPT wrote, and let me be honest, it is actually real. Okay, ये तो मेरे को करना ही है. हाँ. Keep motivating me. समझे? मोटिवेट किया करो यार, मोटिवेशन की तरफ कैसे चलेंगे हम? And I'm going to take this 30 days of break. You know, anyway, जाने से पहले मेरे को अभी इस वक्त तुम लोगों से कुछ सुनना है. Okay, I need suggestions. Like if you have any suggestions regarding studies, regarding healthcare tips, regarding anything like new items, new something variety, new skills, new things which I should, or you want me to develop it, I'll be doing something or the other, but I also want you all to help me out कि भाई ये कर लो ये वो. तो अगर तुम लोगों के पास कुछ भी आइडिया हो, कुछ भी हो, like whether it is like content type or anything, content related भी हो सकता है कि तुम ऐसा content मेरे पास post करो ये वो. This also can happen. If you have this kind of things in your head right now going, मुझे specifically comment में drop कर देना कि मुझे ये सब करना चाहिए. Okay. Till the next time, see you. मुझे content idea पहले drop कर देना. Do not forget. मैं कुछ भी life related talks है which I want to share with you all, but अभी नहीं. It's not the time. Okay. So do not ask me about my life, like personal life and all. I'll genuinely share. But till then, take care. Bye bye. Love you.